Hello guys, welcome to another video. I'm Nandakishore and you're watching Digital RNK YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can increase the followers on Instagram. Guys, before we begin this video, I just want to tell you that this is 100% genuine trick. You don't have to install any sort of applications or software and don't need to go for any links. And most importantly, you don't need a laptop or desktop to do this trick. All that you need is just your smartphone and your Instagram account to do this trick. It's very easy and simple trick. Even a 5-year kid can do this trick. Yeah, sounds interesting, isn't it? This is a clear way to get followers. You're gonna get completely genuine followers. And trust me, you don't see any fake followers here. But you have to follow some strategies. I'm gonna show you live proof so that you can understand and try that for yourself. Alright, get some snacks and fasten your seat belts, as this video is going to be very interesting. And please don't skip this video. Watch till the end, as I'll be showing you some important steps. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, for this trick, firstly you need to open your Instagram account from your smartphone and go to search and simply type Digital RNK and click on this. I have provided the link in the description box as well. You can also go to my profile from there. So first thing is you have to follow me, otherwise this trick won't work. I'm just kidding guys, don't worry, there is nothing like that. I have switched my account from Nandakishore to Digital RNK now. Okay, now from here go to my following list and then see more suggestions, then scroll and find the profiles with blue tick mark next to the names. So basically these blue tick profiles are verified by Instagram, so you will get this blue tick when you have popularity and more followers. It's easy when you are a celebrity, influencer, entrepreneur. Alright, now all that you need is to follow these blue tick profiles one by one. So I'm gonna click on all of them with blue tick mark. Okay,
A few moments later.
so guys, I have followed 100 followers now, and as you can see my followers numbers have increased to 90. I had 88 followers before. I now have followed these many people and I took just about few minutes to do this. And as you can see, I haven't followed these people, but they have followed me. And also your followers count will start growing day by day. Now I will tell you the important step here. When you follow someone, just keep in mind that they also falls under your niche or area of expertise, so that the followers whom you get also finds it useful to stay with you as followers for a long period of time, because you're giving them relevant content, right? Do you agree with this? Just comment down below. So guys, you have to do this trick after 9 PM or something, because most of the people get engaged with social media with their smartphone during night time, so that it will be beneficial for you to get found. You might have a question like, why do I need to follow others to gain followers? It's simple guys. When you follow others, you're basically creating visibility of your profile to others, because you might have noticed that Instagram shows suggestion like XYZ also follows XYZ profile, like that. This is the logic behind this trick. Alright, so guys, you have to do this trick daily to grow your followers. I found best results when I did it after 9 PM. I ask you guys to try and see if it works during morning. Just let me know in the comment section below. Okay, now what you have to do is on a daily basis, just go to this following list and unfollow them during morning, and again repeat the process, follow them again in the night time. So it's simple, genuine trick. No fake profile, no link click or app downloads, no bots to do this trick. Okay, so these people also wanted more followers and they follow you and others and so on, because it's a win-win situation for all, right? This trick I have personally tried and tested it, and it works simply amazing. Okay, so guys, hope you have found this trick useful. Smash that like button and share it with your friends and colleagues and help them grow their followers as well. And please follow my Instagram, instagram.com/digitalrnk for more such useful tricks and tips. That's it guys. If you want to see more useful, interesting and informative videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to all. That way you will be updated with my latest videos. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Peace out.